Hello and welcome back to our credit series for mortgages on Get Me Ready to Buy a Home. Thank you for joining me. I'm Dennis Bergstrom with Big Valley Mortgage, 20-year mortgage professional. So let's say that you don't have any credit, or you're just starting out and you need to rebuild your credit, or you don't have any credit. Here's a couple things for people that what we call a skinny file. A skinny file is somebody that just hasn't established credit. Maybe you don't like credit because you don't want to be obligated to anything, and I totally get that. So just take these steps and maybe it'll help you out and you can actually do some things that you didn't think you could do. So here's one thing that you could do and to help establish credit. You could put $500 in a savings account and go to your bank and ask for a secured credit card. What that does is they put a freeze on the $500 and they give you a credit card with a limit of $500. That will establish some credit. You will never overextend yourself because you have the $500 in your savings account. Once it's in your savings account, you can't touch it though. But that's the bank's way of knowing that you're going to pay that credit card back off because they already have your money. So you're basically paying them interest on your own money. But it's a great way to start if you don't have any credit. Another way is if you have a cell phone, you can do what's called self-reporting. You call your cell phone carrier and say, hey, I want to self-report to the credit bureaus. So utilities will do this, cell phones will do this, and you call them and when you make an on-time payment, or if you don't make an on-time payment, it's not going to be good for your credit score. So make sure you make an on-time payment. So once you do that, they will report that to the credit bureaus. The best part about this is for us mortgage people is we don't use those payments in your debt to income ratio, but it will help you build a credit score. Another thing you could do is go to a family member or a great friend and be an authorized user on one of their cards. My suggestion is have them put you on a card that is a long-standing card that they've had for quite some time. Also, it should be a revolving card that has a very low balance and not a high balance for the utility. So it's a low percentage of what's available to them. So that'll help your score go up. And then if you can kind of tag tail on their good standing credit, that's going to help your credit score as well. Then there is a program out there from Safe Credit Union that's called Savings Builder Account. Basically, you will sign a contract with them that says, I want to save $2,000 within a year. They're going to give you a minimum payment that you're going to pay, and it goes straight into your savings account. The money, you can't get to it until you hit your goal, whatever amount that you set. And then all of a sudden, they're going to go ahead and report that as an installment loan. So it's your money. You're going to go ahead and make the payments. Once you get the goal, they're going to open up that savings account for you. It's good for them because they got a new client. It's good for you because you're getting that installment loan and you're not having to purchase a vehicle or extend yourself. You're basically saving money for a home or whatever else you want to do. So those are some great tips on how to establish credit, and I hope you do really well. I'm here to answer any questions. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'd love to hear from you, and thanks so much.